Today we're going to go over the process of removing the front door panel from your Tacoma. Step 1, use a trim tool to pop off the sail panel. Next step, use your screwdriver to push in on this clip and then pry it off with your fingers. Now use the pry tool again to remove this piece from inside the door handle. Now use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screw. Now use the trim tool to remove the carpet from inside the handle. Then remove the screw with the Phillips head screwdriver. Now we're going to use the trim tool to remove the switch panel by prying up on the back of it. And then just lifting it out. Now unplug the front switch by depressing this tab. Then roll it over and unplug the rear switch by depressing this tab. Now we're going to take the door panel off. Start at the top and just work your way around, unclipping the clips as you go. Until it's loose like this. Then you just lift up. All right, the door panel will still be connected with these cables. You can either release the cables or wiggle the door handle free. To release the cables, they just slide out like so, and your door panel comes off.